it's me, Ashley. For today, we're going to be cleaning my chain on my Ninja 400. For today, these are the few things that you will need, of course, is the chain cleaner, the loop for the chain, a towel or a rag, and then the brush to clean it. So let's go ahead and get started. So another thing that you may need is a rear stand. This is so that it makes your life a whole lot easier. It will lift up this tire so that we can clean that chain just a little bit better.
We're all doing, oh, you're going to
Next is a 5 to a 10, I think. Yeah.
I'm putting on some?
Dude, it has a hole. Oh my god, dude. I got it. Okay, that's the loop. Okay. You're still recording?
Yes.
Oh
Continue.
my god, Nick.
You gotta get raw footage.
Raw? You are gonna be raw later on. Oh! No, I'm just kidding. Wait, I wasn't ready, asshole. What the fuck? Oh my god. My knees are like killing me though.
Okay.
Alright guys, so now that I got gloves on and the bike's on the stand, I did place this paper underneath so that I could catch all that water, oils. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. So of course we want to get our chain cleaner. We're going to place this right against this chain as we spin that wheel. And as you can see, it's on the stand already, so it'll be easier for Nick to turn that wheel. And as we turn, we're going to place this brush right into here. And as he's spinning it, this will clean the whole entire chain, and it goes from the under, and then we'll switch it over to the top so it gets the top side as well. So with our cleaner, we're just going to spray it against this chain all the way around. And then you always want to remember, aim downwards. As you can see, all the oil is coming down on the bottom, and that's where we want it. So now that it's nice and going, we're going to place this guy right in there. And as we spin, this is going to clean as we go. You want to do this all the way around. And once we get done to making a full cycle, we're going to switch it around and we're going to do it from the top side. Alright. And now we just want to put this guy right on top, and then we'll go ahead and clean it. Awesome. So now that is all done, our next step is for us. Okay. Our next step is going to be for us to go ahead and loop up this chain. So now that we just cleaned it, we're going to go ahead and take it out around the block just so to get the chain warmed up. Okay guys, so now that we're back, we're going to go ahead and loop up this chain. And same thing like before, you do want to spray it against right here, right in the middle, so that it gets all of this going. And we're going to spray as we spin the chain. And voila! And we're done. The chain is all done. The only thing is I will let it sit for 3 or 4 hours or even overnight so that the oil stays on there, the loop, and it doesn't fly away or get underneath any of this area. But other than that, we'll see you next week.
Meanwhile.
Here, say hi.
Hello, how you guys doing?
Ashley. And we're gonna go to Gus's Chicken. Make sure I'm recording. Alright. Oh, we're gonna look like cops? You wanna look like cops?
Put your money in the bag. Let's get LEDs from the bike, red and blue.
I would do I would do it, but I just don't like it. Alright, Ash, I'm ready. Yeah. Oh, actually, we might have to go get gas first.
That's good, that's fine. I think I need some too.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'll follow you all.
Alright, let's rock and roll.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ruffles21 bringing you another motorcycle vlog. That's right here with Nick and his girlfriend.
Yo, yo! It's us, Nick and Ashley, coming at you here in San Antonio, Texas. Oh, what? On today's vlog and adventure, we're gonna see how slow Luigi's bike goes in first gear. No, but
Without any oil. Bro, that 18 really wants to race you.
Alright.
You see that?
yeah, I saw it.